Hi there. You hear that? Can you hear me? That's soft. It's usually 2 to 3 times louder than that. Why is it like that? And this isn't my neighbors. This isn't within a block. That's 64 North High Street, 1/3 of a mile away. The reason they do that is because basically there's no noise ordinance in Athens before 10 p.m. Trust me, none. They've been called again and again, and the police will say, hey bro, can you chill a little bit? And then they'll turn it back up. So this is 2 to 3 times a week, starting in the afternoon, 3 to 5. This is soft. It gets worse. A lot worse. What happens? Nothing.